How to get started on multilingual on Wix Studio. So if you want to implement multilingual onto your website, what you can do is you can head over right here to the apps option and then go over right here to your app market. So once you're on your app market, you can head over and click onto this search apps and then search in here for multilingual. So from in there, you should be able to see in here some options like this Wiggle Translate, as well as Weblang and other more. For this one, let's choose in here this Wiggle Translate. And then from in there, this will load. So what you can do is you can head over and click onto this add to site option. Do take note that there are some applications that can only be installed on a custom domain. So if you don't have that, you can also utilize the Wix multilingual option. We have in here our Wix multilingual. You can just head over and then install it, and after that click on open right here in order to see what it will look like and in order to also add some languages. So it will redirect you in here onto your dashboard. You can just head over and place it on your site as well. Now in here, let's add some languages that we can actually translate our website into. Click onto this start now and then it will detect your site's main language. So my main language is English, and then just select a flag to represent English. So for this one, let's choose United States English, and then let's confirm our main language. And then once we have done that, we can head over and see in here this new interface. Let's click onto this add language option in order to add a new language. For example, for this case, let's add in here France. And then for this one, select in here the flag associated to it. So let's choose France for the flag. Then let's use in here manual translation, or you can also use machine translation. So for this one, you can choose either one and then make your site available and then click onto this add language option. Once you have done that, it should be able to be added already. So that's how you actually get started with multilingual on Wix Studio. Hope we helped.